Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So today's recipe is a yummy one, guys. If you want to see how I made this yummy delicious goodness, please stay tuned because this is so tasty and it's so yummy. So yes, welcome. So guys, I will take you guys and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Guys, for our ingredients for today, I am going to be using plantain. I'm using 4 plantain, salt and mixed seasoning. I'm using 4 eggs. I'm using 5 tomatoes, bacon, red and white onions, and ginger and garlic, maggi and dry chili. So guys, I have washed my plantain and we are going to cut it. After slicing the plantain, I am going to cut it the way I want it. I'm not going to be slicing it small. I am going to cut it in the middle. I'm just kind of making a hole in the middle of the plantain. So that is the way I am cutting the inside of the plantain. So after cutting my plantain, I'm gonna rub salt on it. I'm going to slice my onions. For the red onions, I am going to slice it round. My plantain oil is now hot. I am frying this plantain with normal vegetable oil. So I'm going to add my plantain in the oil. going to add a little bit of oil in the pan, and I'm going to let it heat up a bit, and then I will add my red onions. Now I'm going to add my red onions. I'm going to allow that to fry for like 3 to 4 minutes. It is time to take out the plantain off the stove. After 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to take out my onions off the stove. In the same pan, I'm going to add my bacon. I'm just going to allow the bacon to fry there on a low heat, okay? So I have taken out some oil off this pot. I am going to add my white onions inside it. And I'm also going to add my ginger and garlic. I'm going to allow that to heat up for 2 minutes. I am going to now add my tomato. And I'm going to allow that to fry for like 10 minutes. So guys, I have allowed my bacon to cook very well. I am going to take it out of the pot now. I'll add a little bit of salt in the egg. Allowing my tomato to fry for 10 minutes, I am going to add my seasoning. So I'm going to add mixed seasoning, just a half teaspoon of it. I'm going to add dry chili. I'm going to add 1 maggi. And I'm going to mix. I'll leave that to simmer for 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my egg. I'm going to allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, our tomato egg sauce is ready. I am going to take that off from the stove. So guys, it is time to plate up our food. I'm going to add my plantain. I'm going to add my egg now. I'm going to add some of the bacon. And I'm going to add some fried onions. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. It is absolutely looking delish and yummy, and guys, I can't possibly wait to dive in, because the flavor, you know, the smoky bacon and the fried onions and everything in between, it just glorifying. I'm telling you, it just looking so yummy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, because it really means a lot to me in terms of promoting my channel. And yes guys, I can't wait to dive in. It is absolutely looking so yummy. Thank you, and I will see you on my next one.